Hey, so welcome back to another episode of Vegan Spin-Offs. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to share something really fun with you. I've come up with this really delicious vegan twist on a classic non-vegetarian recipes, Galouti kebabs. So let's begin. Now here are all the ingredients you'll need. And first up, let's prepare the base mixture. Now we're going to start by actually taking some boiled rajma and giving it a nice mash with a fork. Step 2, let's add some grated vegetables for that little bit of crunch, and then a bit of besan as well to bind all of this together. There's some chopped coriander for freshness, and then a kick of flavor with coriander powder, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and of course a pinch of salt. That adding cashews or walnuts not only gives this dish this rich texture, but it also gives like a nice nutty flavor. And all of these things together make it feel a lot like meat. Now in this next step, we're going to blend everything together and make it into a smooth paste. I'm going to be using a food processor to do this. See, look at this rich, beautiful texture, right? It's ready to actually be shaped into kebabs. But here's what you're going to do. You're going to literally grease your hands first with either butter or ghee, and then you're going to make these kebabs. Otherwise, your hands are going to get messy and you won't get the right shape of the kebabs. And now onto the cooking. You're always going to use ghee, coconut oil, or butter. There's no refined oils, please. Those are highly inflammatory and we don't want to use those. So once you line your pan with a little bit of butter or ghee, you're going to roll out these kebabs onto the pan and you're going to cook them until they're golden brown. To elevate the flavor a little bit more, we're going to add some chopped coriander. And of course, there has to be a green chutney on the side. Otherwise, a kebab is just not fun. Now, the thing is, I want you to try and have this kebab for lunch or dinner because you'll get some vegetables, you'll get some nuts, you'll get all of this protein and carbs together. But I feel if we don't do a side salad, you're not going to feel satiated. So we'll just chop some vegetables together, add some olive oil, do some balsamic vinegar, and have the salad on the side as well. Okay, this is really good. But two things. What I would do to the recipe is make it a little bit more, like mash the rajma a little bit more because it's supposed to be like the Galouti flavor, right? And mash the rajma a little bit more. And I would add some lemon as well. If you will end up giving this a try, please let me know what you think.